Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today let us see how to prepare maize or corn dosas and tomato chutney. 2 dosas and 3 tablespoons of this chutney is around 354 calories. So let us move on and see how to prepare the maize or corn dosas. For the dosas I am going to take around 2 cups of dried maize. You can also use cornmeal if you don't get maize. You have to soak this in water for at least 8 to 10 hours. Other than this, you need 2 cups of parboiled rice, 3/4 cup of black gram and a teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. Add enough water. We are going to soak these two for at least 2 to 3 hours. Once everything got soaked well, you have to start the grinding process. Let us start it with maize. Add enough water and grind this into a fine paste. This is ready. Let us transfer it into a bowl. Next, we are going to grind the black gram in the same mixie jar. Add little water and grind this very smooth. Let us add this into the bowl. Finally, the rice. Here also I have to add enough water for grinding and grind this into a fine paste. This is also ready. Let us transfer this into the bowl. Into this add the required amount of salt. Now give everything a nice mix. The batter has to be like this. We are going to leave this overnight for fermentation. Once it is fermented, your batter has to look like this. Now give this a nice mix. Here the batter is thick. You can use this for idlis, and for dosas you have to take a small amount of batter and you have to mix some water. Here I have taken a cup of batter and I am mixing a little amount of water. And after mixing, the consistency has to be like this, and we are going to pour dosas on a hot tawa. Add enough oil. One side is done, let us turn it. And here our crispy maize or corn dosa is ready. The side dish for the dosa is going to be tomato chutney. Let us prepare it now. Pour some oil in a pan. To this add a teaspoon of black gram. You have to roast this well until it turns slightly brown. Once it is done, add a small piece of ginger, 1 garlic clove and 2 dry chilies. Let us saute this for another 1 or 2 minutes. Next, we are going to add 1 big chopped onion. If your onion is small, go for 2. You have to saute the onions until it turns translucent. Once the onions are translucent, you can add 2 chopped tomatoes and the required amount of salt. Now saute this. You have to cook the tomatoes well, so keep this in medium flame and saute this for another 3 or 4 minutes. Once it is done, allow it to cool down and transfer it into a mixie jar. To this add a small amount of water and grind this into a fine paste. So here our tomato chutney is ready. Even if you are on diet, this will be a perfect recipe. It will taste so good. 2 maize dosas are around 170 grams and it contains 7.7 grams of proteins, 11.1 grams of fats, 46.2 grams of carbohydrates and 3.7 grams of fiber. And our tomato chutney is around 45 grams and it contains 0.6 grams of proteins, 2.7 grams of fats, 3 grams of carbohydrates and 0.9 grams of fiber. Hope you like the recipes. We'll join you in another interesting recipe and don't forget to subscribe our channel.